Hello, welcome. Here we are. This is the drum in question that we're going to be having a listen to today. I'm going to play with two beaters, a firmer beater and a softer beater. Either of these are available to purchase alongside the drum. Hopefully you will see the difference between the two. So let's start with a firm beater and have a little play. Here we go. Beautiful. And then the softer beater. Gorgeous. Okay, well, hope this little video has helped you to make a more informed decision. It's always tricky when you're buying online, so it's nice to be able to hear what the drum sounds like. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.